Tired of kitchen disasters? You're not alone. But guess what? You're a better cook than you think. Here are some quick tips to level up your cooking game. Tip 1. Keep it simple. Choose recipes that require just one pot or few ingredients. Tip 2. Learn the basics. This means learn how to chop, saute, and boil to enhance your cooking experience. Tip 3. Don't be afraid to experiment. By experimenting, you can create unique dishes that might become signature recipes. Tip 4. Meal prep. Prep ingredients on the weekend for easy weeknight meals. It's a game changer. Tip 5. Learn about ingredient pairings. Sweet, savory, and spicy, the combos are endless. Tip 6. Explore new cuisines. Indian, Thai, or Mexican. Try to expand your flavor palette. Tip 7. Taste as you go. Your taste buds are your best tool. Tip 8. Don't be afraid of leftovers. Transform them into new dishes. You've got this. Hit subscribe for more kitchen confidence.